Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from Coinbase to your bank account. First, you'll need to convert your crypto into a traditional currency, like US dollars, directly within the Coinbase platform. Next, make sure your bank account is properly linked and verified. Finally, you can initiate the withdrawal process from your fiat balance to that linked bank account. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps, ensuring your funds reach you securely. To begin, navigate to the Payment Methods section within your Coinbase settings. Here, you'll find an option to add a payment method. Select Bank Account and follow the prompts to securely link your financial institution. Coinbase often requires a small deposit from your bank account to fully verify it for withdrawals, ensuring a secure connection for your future transactions. This one-time step helps protect your funds. Once your bank account is linked, head to your Coinbase portfolio. Select the fiat currency you wish to withdraw, such as US dollars. Look for the Cash Out or Withdraw button and choose your verified bank account as the destination. Carefully enter the exact amount you want to transfer, then review all the transaction details before confirming. Double-checking ensures your money goes to the right place. Regarding transfer times, standard ACH bank transfers usually take between 1 and 5 business days to process, depending on your bank. If you need your funds sooner, Coinbase offers instant cash-out options, though these typically come with a small fee for the expedited service. Always review the fees before confirming. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.